Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen, open your fridge, and you see two simple choices sitting side by side. A cup of Greek yogurt and a bottle of kefir. It seems like no big decision, right? But what if I told you that choosing one over the other could actually change the way your body feels from your gut? To your energy levels, to your immunity, and even your muscle growth. These two foods look similar, but what they do inside your body couldn't be more different. And today, we're finally settling the debate with clear, science-backed answers. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits your goals and which one deserves a permanent place in your fridge. Welcome back to Health. If you live in the US, you've probably noticed this quiet rivalry in the dairy aisle. Greek yogurt has been the superstar for years. Creamy, packed with protein, and marketed as the ultimate healthy snack. Right beside it sits kefir, a drink that looks like a yogurt smoothie, a little mysterious, and still unfamiliar to many Americans. But nutrition researchers are calling it one of the most powerful probiotic foods in the world. So, which one is actually better for you? The truth is, it depends on what your body needs. To understand that, we need a quick look at how each one is made. Greek yogurt starts as regular yogurts, but it's strained multiple times to remove the liquid whey. That's why it becomes so thick and dense and why the protein content shoots up. 1 cup can give you 15 to 20 grams of protein, which is almost the same as eating 3 eggs. No wonder brands like Chobani and Phage turned it into a US sensation. Kefir, on the other hand, is made completely differently. It's created by adding kefir grains, not real grains, but a living culture of bacteria and yeast to milk. Acid ferments, it becomes a tangy, slightly fizzy drink with a totally different microbial profile than yogurt. Brands like Lifeway, Nancy's, and Green Valley have made it more common in American grocery stores, but it's still new to a lot of shoppers. Here's a simple way to think about it. Greek yogurt is about density, especially protein density. Kefir is about diversity, especially probiotic diversity. And gut health is where kefir completely steals the spotlight. While most yogurts contain maybe 2 to 5 strains of beneficial bacteria, kefir can contain anywhere from 30 to 60 different strains. That's a massive difference. Some nutrition experts say a cup of kefir may deliver 25 to 30 billion active cultures. Think of it like sending a full army of reinforcements into your digestive system. Your gut microbiome thrives on variety, and kefir helps restore balance. IMPROVE, digestion, support immunity, and may even contribute to clearer skin through the gut-skin connection. Greek yogurt still has great benefits and contains important live cultures, but if you're dealing with gut issues, recovering from antibiotics, or wanting a serious digestive reset, kefir has far more probiotic power. But if your goal is strength, muscle growth, weight management, or staying full for hours, then Greek yogurt becomes the clear winner. Its high protein content keeps you satisfied longer, reduces cravings, supports metabolism, and fuels muscle repair. A cup of kefir has around 8 or 9 grams of protein good, but not on the same level. That's why athletes and fitness lovers swear by Greek yogurt as a daily staple. Kefir is excellent for your gut, but Greek yogurt is superior for satiety and muscle support. Now let's move to micronutrients, because this is where both foods shine in different ways. Greek yogurt is rich in vitamin B12 for energy, vitamin B2 for metabolism, and selenium, which is a strong antioxidant. In fact, one controlled trial even showed that men who consumed fat-free Greek yogurt during training had better bone formation than those who did. Kefir, meanwhile, often provides more calcium and vitamin D, especially in the US, where dairy is fortified. These nutrients are essential for bone density, especially for women. Research consistently shows that fermented dairy, both yogurt and kefir, is linked to a lower risk of osteoporosis and osteopenia. So in terms of nutrients and bone strength, both are excellent, just in different ways. But what if you're lactose intolerant? Here's the good news. Both are easier to digest than milk. Fermentation breaks down lactose, making them far more tolerable. But kefir goes even further. Because it ferments with both bacteria and yeast, kefir may reduce lactose by up to 99%. That's why many people who can drink milk at all can drink kefir without any discomfort. Greek yogurt is also easier to digest, but kefir is the safer starting point for anyone with lactose sensitivity. Before we decide the winner, let's clear up a few myths that confuse people. First, kefir is not just liquid yogurt, it's completely different made, with a combination of bacteria and yeast, which gives it far more probiotic. Second, the idea that dairy fat is unhealthy is outdated. Modern research shows that moderate full-fat dairy is not linked to heart disease. The fat actually helps your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, N, K. Third, more probiotics doesn't always mean better health. It's about the right strains and the right balance. Too much at once can even upset a sensitive stomach. And finally, fermented dairy is not a trend. Cultures have consumed it for thousands of years, with consistent research showing reduced disease risk and improved overall health. So which one should you choose? It all depends on your goals. If you want better digestion, stronger immunity, or help with lactose intolerance, kefir is your best friend. If you're focused on protein, muscle growth, and appetite control, Greek yogurt is the smarter choice. For bone health, mood support, and long-term benefits, honestly, both are fantastic. In fact, microbiome expert Tim Spector points out that fermented foods like kefir and yogurt are some of the most powerful tools we have for improving long-term health. But here's the best part. Don't have to choose. The smartest strategy is to use them together. Start your morning with Greek yogurt, berries, and oats for a powerful high-protein breakfast. Then later in the day, enjoy a glass of kefir as a refreshing snack or blend it into a smoothie for a probiotic boost. This way, you get both protein density and probiotic diversity. When souping, stick with plain, unsweetened versions. For Greek yogurt, look for brands like Chobani, Phage, or Oikos, and aim for less than 10 grams of sugar per serving. For kefir, brands like Lifeway, Nancy's, and Green Valley offer high-quality options, but avoid the flavored ones loaded with sugar. The cleaner the ingredients, the better the benefits. So here's the final verdict. Kefir is your gut, is the best friend. Greek yogurt is your muscles' loyal partner. Together, they cover almost every major part of your health. If this science-backed breakdown helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Health, and let us know, are you Team Kefir or Team Greek yogurt? Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.